Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Infuenster unboxing. I got qualified for the Boss Babe vlog box, I believe it was. And I'm actually super excited about this box because I get hair dye, I get face mask, I get a face scrub. I get some gummies to help with my hair and my nails and all that great stuff. So with other ado, this is the cute box that it came in. It is just a green box, and then off to the side it just has like little makeup goodies and all that cute stuff. I will have all my information down below on how you can get free stuff and all that great stuff. I mean, who doesn't want free stuff? I mean, come on you guys. Alright, so the first couple things I am pulling out, it looks like, is the card, and this is just telling me about how to get Infuenster on my phone and all that stuff, how to try the products, unlock your badges, take your surveys, all that great jazz. If you're somebody who is familiar with Infuenster, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. If not, all you do is pretty much they give you free goodies, you review this products, and you test it out, you take photos of yourself, and then you write your true honest opinions of what you think about their products, and yeah, it qualifies you for more goodies. So the first thing I was really excited about was this. And this is Nature's Bond hair, skin, and nail gummies, you guys. This stuff right here is very expensive. At my store we sell this same exact size for $8.99, so $9 for a, let's see, it's not telling me the weight or the fluid ounce, but this is, you get 80 gummies and they're strawberry, and it recommends that you take 2 if you are an adult. So I really can't wait to try this because you guys know I would like to grow my hair back out again. And my nails are so thin and fragile, so I'm actually kind of curious if these will help strengthen them. So I'm really excited about that. And another thing, you guys can always follow me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram displayed throughout this whole video if you want to follow me on Instagram and watch me post cute little pictures of myself playing with these great products. So these are products that I have already did and tested, and these are temporary hair colors, which I do like because I am not allowed to have crazy colors in my hair for work. So this is a 1.5 ounce, and this one is in the color Chameleon, and it is pink, but since my hair is dark, it shows up as a purple color. And then this one is a 1.5 fluid ounce as well, and this one is, I guess, Chameleon. Alright, so this one is pink pigments, and then this one is blue pigments. So Chameleon temporary hair color, I'm guessing, is the name of these bad boys. So you get quite a bit. These would be great for Halloween. If you just want to style your hair and look cute. If you want to add this, if you have colorful fun hair and your kids want colorful fun hair, this would be great to add to their hair. And it does wash out, as I said. Alright, so the next thing I am getting is this Caress Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser, and this is for all skin types. So I'm actually kind of curious about this. You guys know I like face mask and stuff like that because I do wear a lot of makeup, so I do like to keep my pores and my face as clean as possible. This is a 0.68 fluid ounce, and it just looks something like this, and it just says a rich ingredient foaming cream that removes effectively makeup mascara without irritating, formulated with smoothing Greek. So what is this? Is this like a makeup remover? I don't know. I'll have to test this out, see what's good with that. Alright, and then I'm getting cards about my hair. You could have gotten the purple, pink, and blue, but I got the blue and pink. But as I said, my hair color is dark, so it turns out purple in my hair. I do have this bad boy, and this is something that I have to turn in to finish this box. And then this right here is just talking about the Greek beauty mask and stuff like that. So I can't wait to try this out and see exactly what this is all about. Alright, and then the last thing that I am pulling out of this box is a charcoal clay facial mask. You guys know that I like facial mask and definitely charcoal, because I feel like charcoal cleans your face a lot better than most other facial masks and stuff like that. I just feel like they get deep down in your pores. So this is what I'm dealing with. So I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. And then this thing right here I have to send off and see what this is about. And I get a free box of food, I'm assuming. So I will see what that's all about. So yes, you guys, so that was my second Infuenster box that I got in a while. So I'm kind of super excited about that. And as always, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon. And as always, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys rock. You're beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise.